I'm fairly certain that anyone who has tried to make money on TikTok in the past, whether as a creator or on TikTok Shop, has asked themselves the question, is it better to have a business account or is it better to have a creator account? Now, this is a question and something that I've contemplated for so long. Been using TikTok now for 3 to 4 years and creating content for about that same period of time. And the answer to that question always changes. If you've been keeping up with the channel, you would have most likely seen my earlier videos talking about TikTok Shop and how I mentioned that it is critical that you have an affiliate account that is just a normal creator account, that you also have your business account. Now, when I started out, my business account was not getting any views at all back in early September and going into October and up until the beginning of November. My business account struggled to get any type of views, even though I know how to create content on the platform and I thought I was making good content. On the other hand, my affiliate account for my TikTok Shop, which was a creator account, was absolutely killing it. I was getting at least 10,000 views on any video that I would post, right? The randomest videos would get 10K views. The decent ones could get anywhere from 100 to 400,000, and the good ones were getting 500,000 up to 3 million. However, I noticed more recently that the tide has begun to shift towards the other way. My business account has been getting a lot more views, while my affiliate creator account has not been able to break 10,000 views for weeks now. Now, that's what I've noticed so far. However, for us to really understand, is it better to have a business account or a creator account, we should delve into the analytics. I'm going to pull up the analytics from my business account and then the analytics from my creator account. We're going to look at the views. We're going to try to notice trends, and then we're going to see which one gets more views, a business account or a creator account that have very similar content. Because remember, guys, this is as even of an experiment as it can get, because they are both my accounts. I create content on both of them. So I can't be a shit content creator and get a lot of views on this one and not a lot on the other, or vice versa. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So I brought you guys on over to my analytics page just so we can do a really deep dive into this. And before I get into it, I just want to lay up some context for you guys. So I use my TikTok for TikTok Shop. I create content for TikTok Shop to drive sales. So this account that you see here on the left is my business TikTok account. This is the official account for my TikTok Shop. It's linked to it. All the products are there. What we have on the right is my personal account. Now, because my personal account is a creator account, has over 5,000 followers, I can be an affiliate for different TikTok shops. So I said, you know what, I'm going to be my own affiliate, create content for my own TikTok shop. So that way I can link all my products and everything. And back then I thought I had the benefit of not being a business account, because business accounts were getting less views. So when I tell you guys my business account was getting less views at the start, I mean it. So let's take a look at these analytics. I started around August 25th. That's when I started my TikTok Shop journey and, started posting consistently, and it was off. So on August 25th, you can see the views here. This is when after a few days, the views this is the day's total views. Keep that in mind. It's not views on one video or anything. So it never really rose up too much. It was always within a couple of thousands. Dropped off to even 500 some days, 1,500 total. And at this point, I had posted a whole bunch of videos because I was doing 2 to 3 posts every single day. Now, this is the business account. Still up till September 10th, only 2,000 views, sorry. And then from there, it literally dropped to 0. Now, part of the reason why it dropped to 0, I don't know how accurate. I don't think this 0 is accurate, because it makes no sense. If I had posts there, the posts should not be at 0 views, right? But I had stopped posting as much because I was focusing on my creator account, which we have here on the left, because at that point in time, affiliate TikTok creators were getting insane amounts of views. Now, one more benefit before we get into the creator account is when you have a business account, you get a lot more data to look at. So I can go all the way back to August 25th and look at all my analytics, while on my creator account, I only have up to the last 60 days. You can delve a little bit deeper, into things like conversions, lead submissions. I don't do any of that, so don't really care. So pretty much the main point in this video is I want to show you guys the views. Now let's go into the creator account, the affiliate account. At this point, I was getting a couple thousand because I hadn't turned it into an affiliate account yet, so I wasn't posting on it as often. And then, oh, actually, no, sorry guys. This was the point in time where I was removed from the affiliate program, so I hadn't posted as much. I can't drag it all the way back to August because they don't give me that ability. So then we were back into the affiliate program and I started posting again. As you can see, the views were decent. Now, I really wish I could show you guys how they were before, but you can get an idea of it when you look here. Video views were down by 5.3 million versus the September 10th to November 8th period, which here was when having a creator account linked to a TikTok shop as an affiliate was going to get you ridiculous amounts of views. The profile views dropped by 78%, the likes by 85, unique viewers by 76, shares by 88, and comments by 77. So right there, that shows you everything. There has been a change in TikTok where now creator videos, or at least affiliate creators who are affiliated with TikTok shop, are not getting as many views. And you can see here the views just dropped off and dropped off and dropped off. I had a little surge here, once again dropped off tremendously. I mean, these are just a couple thousand views a day, which compared to what I was doing before is nothing. Had a huge rise up here over these 2 days, and once again it dropped back. So it's been a big struggle on the creator account. Just doesn't get that many views now. This can be down to a variety of reasons. Maybe they're pulling back on creators who are linked, who create affiliate content. Maybe they're pulling back on that. Maybe it's because I joined the creativity program beta, which pays TikTok creators who make videos longer than 1 minute long, and I'm not making videos longer than 1 minute long, so maybe that has to do with it. But now let's look at the later period for the business account, or more recently, starting in October, late October. I noticed that my business account was starting to get a lot of views compared to the beginning. Now it's still me creating the content, so you can't say, oh, there's a new creator now creating much better content. No, it's still me creating the content, still me with the same strategies. And at the same time, I'm also posting here, right? In November, as you guys can see, I'm also posting on the affiliate account. So it's relatively the same content. Sometimes what I do is I record a video, save it to my camera roll, and then post it on each account and test how it does for views. And as you can see, the creator account is really low, while the business account is now starting to get at least 10,000 views every single day, until I had a huge video blow up. And right here, 390,000 that day. Still always relatively in the tens of thousands. Another explosion right there in the tens of thousands. Another explosion right there just 2 days ago. And we're still close to 100,000 every day. As you can see, the reached audience is absolutely insane. Again, this is on a business account. Profile views, absolutely insane. You can tell all this data is up a lot from the prior period, while on the creator account, it's all fallen tremendously. So what is the moral of the story here? The moral of the story is, if you do TikTok shop, definitely take your business account seriously, take your official account seriously, because no longer does that restriction exist where they're giving us less views just so you can buy ads. Create as much content on there as possible and make that your primary source of viewers, and it's most likely going to be your primary source of sales. And then for the creator account, I don't know. I don't know what to say. The drop off in views has been really bad. I don't even get that many sales attributed to my creator affiliate account anymore. So the transition that I might make is I might just start creating 1 minute plus videos on TikTok and seeing if in that kind of genre, in that realm, I can get more views. Because like I told you guys, my videos are just, the typical 10 to 20 second TikToks that are like funny or relatable or that sort of thing. And I just want to experiment with the creativity program beta in general, because I think I can make a relatively significant amount of money on there. They're paying out like crazy. And I'm going to continue pumping out content for the brand and for my TikTok shop business over here on the business account. And honestly, this isn't so bad after all, because it does give me that separation. Now I can have two sources of income. Essentially, on my business account, people are going to go buy my stuff from my TikTok shop, and then on my creator account, I can talk about whatever it is that I want to talk about and get paid from the creativity program. So what I recommend for you guys is have both accounts, have each account set for one separate purpose, and let's see what changes. Let's see if things remain the same. TikTok is always changing shit, so the only constant is change on TikTok. Something is going to change. They're probably going to cut back on views for the business accounts, but for now, let's take advantage of it. Also, this takes away the restriction, because when you to become an affiliate, you need to have at least 5,000 followers. And a lot of people were saying, oh, on my business account, I'm never going to get views. I don't have 5,000 followers to create an affiliate. You no longer have that restriction. With that being said, I hope you guys took value from this video as someone really breaking down the data and looking at some real shit and not just talking theory and, oh, I think this, I think that. This is all factual. It's right in front of you, and you guys can make your own conclusions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment down below. Tell me how your experience has been, and I will see you guys in the next video. I'm out.